Hey Tech Builders, welcome to Tech Talks with Paul. So what do you do when you're a developer and you need to access a contract, but the contract's deployed and not verified? So you can't necessarily go to Block Explorer and attach to it and run function calls. So there's ways to do it. You can actually go and code, maybe Hardhat or Foundry, and attach to the contract and run some code. But I found kind of a quick and dirty way to do it using Remix. And just real simple. I recently had a client that asked me to take a look at their metadata, and they didn't have the metadata link right off the top of their head, and so they wanted me to deal with it after the call. So when I got off the call, I looked at the contract. It wasn't verified, so there was no quick and easy way for me to get their metadata link, their URI for any of their tokens. So they went through, I worked with Remix, Open Zeppelin contracts, and I just quickly attached to it, got the IPFS link, and that was that. It was just quick and easy. And so today I'm going to show you how to do that just as a quick one-off. So here we are in Google. So I just did a Google for Remix IDE. So if you just don't have the link right off the top of your head, just look for Remix IDE. All right, here it is. And so what this allows you to do is actually has, so you can actually create contracts and compile them and deploy them. So this is just a quick and easy way to attach to a contract. So first we know that this is the contract. It's an ERC 721. I actually deployed this one just as a sample. I'm on Sepolia testnet. But this is a standard ERC 721, so it should have standard functionality like tokenery. So we'll go over to Open Zeppelin, and we will go to, you can look for openzeppelin.com, and we can go to their contracts wizard. And here I'll select ERC 721, and I don't really need anything special since I'm just looking at tokenery, but if you have a special functions you need in here for 1155, 721, anything exceptional, even though if you know it has enumerable, you need some of those functions, you can actually just grab those. So here we're just going to grab a hold of this ERC 721, hop over here into Remix, create a new file, ERC 721.sol. All right, and we will paste the code in here. Now it's got everything. So there we go. This is just a very simple contract. It adds all your dependencies, and you'll notice that it's version 0822. So we can go over here to Solidity Compile. We can either change this to 0822 or change this to 0826. So we'll just go to 822, and then we will compile it. And so now we've compiled it. We go over here, and what we want to do is I've set my MetaMask already to work with, connected to Sepolia. I will change this to my injected MetaMask provider. Come over here and grab the contract address, paste it right here, and attach to it. And so now I have my token right here. I'm actually attached to the contract, and I can run these functions against that contract. So for example, if I need the token ID, tokenery for token ID 0, there we have it. So now it's gateway IPFS IO IPFS 0.json. So this was just a quick example of how you can attach to a contract using Remix and without actually going through Hardhat or whatever. This was just kind of a quick one-off that I needed so that I didn't have to get into Hardhat, add the contract, create a script, all of those things. I just needed the URI in this case. And so this is kind of just a quick way to do that. So appreciate you listening. Like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. And until next time, keep building awesome tech.